Hello, beautiful people. One of the questions I'm constantly being asked is, what does success have to do with home organizing? It's a great question and the key ingredient to growth and expansion as far as I'm concerned. Coming from corporate, as a budding chemist, I've learned the world you consciously create directly impacts your physical environment. I've experienced this statement as a professional. It's also one of the reasons I invest in professional coaching services, and mastermind with women who are leaders and financial giants. I just disregard the frivolous, and just want to see others win. This sentiment I surround myself with and encourage you to do the same. Because to cut right down to the bone, the massive success we all desire is in the details. Now, my family is full of sports enthusiasts, both men and women, who can talk sports toe-to-toe with any sports anchor in America. And what they've taught me is that you can see the shared personality trait that all of their favorite superstars have in common, which is attention to detail. Tom Brady is playing in a playoff game against a legend, Drew Brees, and without going into their bios, it's because of the details that these tenured individuals have held sustained success. That's what we do here at Ruth'sSOS. We assess your home organizing challenges, and along with your input, provide you with the details needed to elevate your best efforts, which translates into harvesting more success for you, your family, your business. Thanks for watching Ruth'sSOS. And if you haven't already, drop us a like, and/or subscribe.